How to change password on Facebook in PC. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll demonstrate the steps to modify your password on Facebook using a computer. So let's comment the steps. The procedure is fairly straightforward. First of all, you need to ensure that you're connected to your internet. Once connected, proceed to launch your any preferred web browser such as Google Chrome. After you have done so, log into your Facebook account. To do so, you have to go to the search bar at the top, type in facebook.com and hit enter. And make sure you're logged into your specific account. You have the liberty to utilize any browser of your preference. Upon reaching this stage, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Next, you have to select the Settings and Privacy option. Once you do that, again click on Settings. This action will direct you to the General Account Settings. From here, you have to access the Security and Login option. Simply go to Account Center and click on Password and Security option. Then you can see the indication of Change Password under the Login and Recovery. Click on it. And as soon as you do that, this will give you two options of changing your password of either your Facebook or the Instagram that is connected to your Facebook. So as we are trying to change the password of our Facebook account, we're going to click on this first option. And here you can see the indication of current password, then new password, and retype your password. So what you're supposed to do is simply enter the current password of your Facebook account. Now go ahead and simply type in the new password you want to set. Retype the new password. If you would like to log out your Facebook account from other devices, you can check on this option over here. Now simply click on this change password highlighted in blue color. By following the simple steps, you will successfully alter your Facebook password on a computer. Before we conclude, we kindly request you to like, subscribe, and share our content. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.